I'm really tired. I need a nap. Can you wait 5 minutes? Yes, I'm gonna set my clock alarm, all right? Only 5 minutes, okay? Bye-bye. Oh, wow, look at me. Am I dreaming? Oh, God, what's this? I'm wearing an apron and a hat. What type of hat is this? I think it's a baker's hat. I'm a baker. Oh, wow. That is what I was dreaming all my life, to be a baker. Oh, wow, I'm really hungry. What about if we make a bread together? Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, what we need to make the bread? What we need? Let's think about it. Oh, a bowl. First of all, a bowl. We need a bowl. Yes. What else? A wooden spoon. We need a wooden spoon to mix all the ingredients. Yes, of course. And now, what ingredients do we need? Let's think. Oh, flour. Of course, we need some flour. Excellent job. Okay, what else? We need some olive oil. Yes, olive oil. And we need some salt. We have to add some salt. And also, and I think this is the last ingredient, we need some powder. We need some powder to make it bigger. Okay, so we're gonna mix all the ingredients in the bowl, all the ingredients together, and we're gonna mix with the wooden spoon. And here we have the result. And we have to put this in the oven, okay? For about 10 minutes. So let's put 10 minutes. Come on, let's wait 10 minutes. Okay. Can you hear it? I think it's enough. I'm really hungry. Can you hear? Oh, what's that noise? Oh no, the alarm clock. Oh, 10 minutes later, what happened here? Oh, it was a dream. I'm not a baker anymore. And oh, I'm hungry. Where is the bread? Oh no, where is the bread? Oh yes, here it is. I have the bread for me. Yes. Okay, but do you want to know how is this recipe? How to make it? Yes. So let's review the ingredients again. So we need some flour. Here it is. We need some olive oil. We need some salt. And we also need some powder. And remember, because you have to mix all these things in a bowl and mix with a wooden spoon. Are you ready to do it? Yes? So hope you enjoy with this recipe. Bye-bye!